Number 1, cup. I drink my milk out of a blue cup. Cup. Number 2, plug. I needed to plug the fan in before I turned it on. Plug. Number 3, nut. The cookie I ate had a nut in the middle. Nut. Number 4, slug. I saw a slug on the sidewalk. Slug. Number 5, hut. Pig number 1 made a hut out of mud. Hut. Number 6, bus. I ride the blue bus to my house. Bus. Number 7, bug. I saw a bug with 6 legs. Bug. Number 8, gum. My dad said if I was well behaved, he would let me have a piece of gum. Gum. Number 9, cub. A baby bear is called a cub. Cub. Number 10, plum. A plum is a purple, juicy fruit. Plum. Now remember, every good speller always checks their words. Number 1, cup. 2, plug. 3, bug. 4, wait, let me start again. 1, cup. 2, plug. 3, nut. 4, slug. 5, hut. 6, bus. 7, bug. 8, gum. 9, cub. 10, plum.